We're going on an adventure. We're like fucking Bilbo Baggins right now. Yeah. Let's go down here. Gravel road? Fuck it. I've always said the R3 is like basically a dirt bike anyway. I'm sure this will be fun. This is dumb. This is kind of cool back here though. Oh, alright, yeah. Okay, good. We're good. Oh, alright. We're in like a groove now. Oh yeah, this is easy sailing. Fucking easy peasy. What's that? Ooh, don't downshift. Don't fucking downshift on dirt. What's back here? I said we were going on an adventure. I wasn't fucking lying. Oh, I don't think this goes anywhere. Oh, there's a trail. Should we do it?
Do it!
It's like a nature trail.
Just do it!
Fuck it. Fucking R3 off-road. Do you think I can... I can't go down here. Oh. Fuck.
Do it!
Oh, well. You only live once, I guess. Oh shit. Okay. We got it. Fucking dirt bike adventures right now. Oh, don't hit the tree. Okay. Ride her out. This is fucking so dumb. Oh god, alright. Oh, this is tricky too. Ugh. Don't fall into the fucking water here. Oh, I'm stuck and I'm falling in. Okay. Oh, we got her. Nice. Oh, fuck. This is dumb. But I said we were going on an adventure. Oh, this looks not good for a sport bike at all. Okay. Alright, yeah! I don't know why all you dirt riders, like, complain. This isn't that... I'm saying this isn't that hard as I'm, like, fucking panting. Oh, God. Narrow trails. The narrow trail. Oh god. Alright. Oh. The bike keeps dying. It's getting hot because there's no like air moving. I think I'm almost out of here. Oh damn. Well, that was fun. We're just on a goddamn... We're on a nature trail back here. This is nuts. This is definitely not what the R3 was built to do, but this is fun. I get all you guys talking about like, oh, you need to go off-roading. Yeah, no kidding. Think about if I had a bike built for this. I just hope I didn't get like a flat tire or anything back there. That would suck. Like, where do I go from here? Squirrel! Oh, this is like a, what is it, a walkway? That's someone's house. Huh. Alright guys, well there you go. That was me taking the R3 on a fucking nature trail. And I didn't drop it, so that's good. Woo! As always, thanks for watching. Thumbs up if you like the video. Comment below if you wanna have a conversation. I always love reading you guys' comments. Subscribe if you want to see more fucking dumb antics like that. And I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye!